Oh my gosh. Hello. Hello, glam dolls. Hello, hello, hello. The lighting will adjust shortly. Please excuse it. It is raining here in New York City, and Rev and I, we just switched cars because I got a lot of errands that I'm running, and I was like, it'd be cool to take y'all along with me. And oh, so much I gotta do, so much I got. Okay, let me bring you up to speed. Here's what's going on. 2 photo shoots I'm prepping for. Okay, the first photo shoot is for, well, both photo shoots is for Miss Glamour Addict Cosmetics. Okay, I keep telling you all that I have the cosmetic line coming. I promised it to you. I told you I was going to do it, and it's getting done. And the first photo shoot is for the packaging of the cosmetic line, and the second photo shoot is for the box covers. Okay, so yeah, that's getting done. And then I also prepping for a red carpet event that I've been invited to this week coming, so I'm definitely you're gonna see me get ready for that. I'm taking you along with me. Okay, we are going to that red carpet event, so doing that. And then, oh, he picked up for me my package from the post office. So excited because, wait for it, you want to know what this is? Wait for it, wait for it. Ah, my nail polishes arrived. Ah, from Nail Addict. You know, Nail Addict, like Miss Glamour Addict. I know. But anyhow, these are Nail Addict nail polishes, and they are gel nail polishes. And what makes this so exciting for me is that these nail polishes, they are vegan and cruelty free. Okay, and the company itself is located like out in Los Angeles. And what really attracted me to this company is that they are promising that they can give you salon quality gel manicured hand look at home without you having to break your bank paying the salon price. That's what attracted me to these nail polishes. So this one in particular is called Sea Swing Sun. It looks like this right here. So I'm excited to use this one. I don't know which one I'm gonna use, but they got some pink ones and stuff like that, and I picked out the colors myself. And like I said, these are gel polishes, but you know what, I'm sharing it with you to say, if you're interested and you want to get your own salon quality gel polishes, you use that discount code right there. It's going to help save you some money off of its already affordable price, because these nail polishes, they not all that cheap, but with that discount code, they damn sure is cheaper than the nail salon. So boom, that's that. So I'm put this down, and I'm gonna start prepping to get up out of here. Let's get this vlog going. I have some running around to do, and as promised, I'm taking you along with me. Let's go. Yeah, I didn't know that sanitation can give out parking tickets. Well, I learned something new. What? What the hell was that? Lord, oh my God. Good morning. Hello, dolls. Good morning. It's an early day, and I was just talking to some other people that have their cars parked, because here in New York City, you gotta do alternate side street parking, meaning you gotta move your car. Like today, I can't park here between 9:30 and 11 because we have to do street cleaning. So I came down to move the car, and the sanitation guy was here. So I thought, you know, he was just here to give out tickets for the garbage, you know, to the buildings. No. So I was today years old when I realized sanitation can give you a parking ticket, and that's because of the street cleaners that need to pass through. Anyway, that's what that conversation was when I first got in. So like I said, hello. It's a whole nother day in the vlog, and per usual, I ain't really get a chance to do what I needed to do for the last 3 days. So I've been saying for the last 3-4 days that I'm prepping for photo shoots. I'm prepping for a red carpet event. Today I got my dry cleaning that I gotta take back. Why? Because I paid money for alterations to get done, and I tried it on in the store. He pinned it, we agreed to it, and you know, he chalked it up, but when I got it back, it did not fit like it was supposed to. So I'm taking that back right now. So yeah, I'm going to do that, and that's what I'm about to do. So it's another rainy, gloomy day in New York City, and aside from taking the alterations back, I also gotta help Rev with the Airbnbs that we have. He doing some renovation work on one of the apartments, and I didn't see his vision at first, but now that he done the paint jobs and he's doing new flooring and stuff like that, so I see what his vision is now coming together. So now I'm a bit more on board with it. So I'm like, okay, I see what's going on here. I see what he's looking to do. So yeah, because our first Airbnb booking for this season is now going to be in April. So yeah, we ain't got much to go because we already in March, and these people will be here before you know it. And like I said, he's doing a lot of renovation work, so we pushing to get that done. And that's another thing when you're doing renovations, and this is why you only pay in increments when you're doing renovations, because the guy, he ain't show up for the last 2 days for work, and we're calling around like, what's going on? Why isn't the flooring ain't being done? Why this ain't being done? Why that ain't being done? Come to find out, the guy mom, she passed away, and she's in another country, so he had to just drop everything that he was doing and fly back home to, you know, take care of that. So that kind of pushed our project back a bit, but it was the lack of communication that kind of had me and Rev in a bunch, because you know, we ain't know. All we know is you're here working, and then psh, you're gone, and you know, you just left everything behind. So yeah, that's going on. Yeah, so all right, let's get going. Okay, hey y'all, same day. Instead of me taking the car, I decided to just take the train up the Fordham Road in the Bronx, New York. And I'm coming up here because I need to get my yellow sweatpants like I told you all. And on top of that, I need to find some silver shoes. So I'm gonna go in this store right here. Let me show it to you. They should have some clear shoes. I see a lot of clear shoes. So we're gonna go inside. Let's go. Okay, dolls, so I'm in the store, and these are some of the clear shoes that they have, and I'm not gonna get those, but I'll show you the ones I'm looking for. But they playing music down here, so because of copyright infringement issues, I don't want to get flagged. So I'm thinking about one of these right here, like these over here to go with my dress, but I don't know. Whichever ones I do pick, I'll be sure to show them to you once I get out of this store. Okay, dolls, so I'm leaving Rainbow, and I got my bag. I'm still in their store. I didn't record much because, like I said, of copyright infringement issues, and you already hear the music that's going on. That's why I didn't get a chance to record. But when I get home to get stabilized, I will show you all everything else that I got. So I made it back home. Oh my gosh, this vlog is all over the place. And can you believe I still didn't go and get my nails done? This is Rev calling me. Hold on a moment. Yes, babe? Oh, wait a minute.
Get the car fixed at Hunts Point, so I had to come get my hoodie or something. Go to Hunts Point.
Oh, you going to Hunts Point?
Yeah.
All right.
Where are you?
I'm home.
Oh, can you bring my hood downstairs?
All right. Call me when you're downstairs.
I'll be downstairs in 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
He ain't gonna be downstairs in no 2 minutes. That means about 10-15 minutes. Anyway, let me quickly show y'all what I got, just in case he do get downstairs. So my birthday is coming up, right? And remember I said I was looking for some silver shoes, whatever. So I went to Hot Point, okay, and they actually have a website and an Instagram, which I will tag them down below in the comment section. And I picked up some Azalea sandals, which I'm about to show them to you. First and foremost, this is the dress that I plan on wearing for my birthday, right? So with me wearing that dress that you're seeing, I picked up, wait for it, these shoes. Ah! She ain't come to play. She ain't, and you wanna know what else I got? The matching clutch. She was not playing. I got the matching clutch to go with the sandals. So yeah, real excited about that. So like I said, this shoe and bag is gonna go with that dress right there that you are seeing. I ain't come to play. And you gotta connect with me on my Instagram, because you'll be able to see, you know, my pictures there. That's it. I'm gonna end this vlog because he did call and tell me that he wanted me to be downstairs with his hoodie. So let me get downstairs and do that. But for the most part, when I went up on Fordham Road, I picked up my sandal and my clutch and quite a few things from Rainbow Apparel, which I'm gonna show you in a separate video. So that's it, dolls. I'm going to conclude this video and vlog. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this vlog, and I will see you in another one again shortly. Later, dolls.